Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enable friends' birthday notifications on Snapchat. By following this tutorial, you'll never miss a chance to celebrate your friends' special days. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Locate the Snapchat icon on your home screen or app drawer, and tap it to launch the app. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Snapchat profile. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your profile screen. This is the settings menu where you can customize various options. Tap on it to proceed. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled My Account. Under this section, tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage what types of alerts Snapchat sends you. Finally, within the notifications settings, locate and mark the option for friend birthdays. By enabling this feature, Snapchat will notify you when it's a friend's birthday, so you can send them a thoughtful message or celebrate in style. And that's it. You're all set to stay updated on your friends' birthdays with these quick and easy steps. Thanks for tuning in. Happy snapping.